yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy and I feel like I'm loving you. Love you is such a good thing. Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make Japanese salad dressing. We need roasted sesame and then sesame oil, sugar, soya sauce, lime juice or lemon juice, and ginger. First, let us grind the roasted sesame seeds, about 2 teaspoons or more. You may use blender machine too, just around 5 minutes grinding, until you can smell the fragrance of sesame, and you will hear the cracking sound of the sesame while you're grinding it. So like this, just a medium fine is enough. And now we are going to grate a half thumb-sized ginger, not too much for this recipe. About half a teaspoon is just fine. Show you again the ready ingredients: sesame, lime juice, sugar, grated ginger, light soya sauce, and sesame oil. Please check out ingredients measurements in description box. Now let's mix all ingredients in a small jar or a bowl. Dissolve the sugar first before we put in the sesame seeds. Please do not replace the sesame oil with other cooking oil, okay? Because it is the key ingredient in this recipe. This dressing is almost going well with any types of salad. Our dressing is done. Let's make some simple salad. Since I have leftover apples and kohlrabi, I might just make this salad again. And by the way, friends, you may use any green salad you have. Let's say carrot, paprika, cucumber, lettuce. They are all good too. I keep the remaining dressing in the fridge. It can last up to a week or more. So just mix them well. It smells so fresh. Look at it. Love it. Crunchy. Thanks much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? Bye!